What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or night. Spend right, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we're back at it tonight to talk more about crypto, to talk more about this insane day. All-time highs for XRP hitting. I mean, you got Hbar jumping back to that mark. You got XLM booming up to 54 cents. I mean, cryptocurrency, altcoins are just going nuts right now. And the best part of it is that we're here to enjoy and see XRP get to an all-time high. Yes, some people think it's up there in the 580s, $5.81 or whatever it is. That's actually, if you go back and look at the history, that doesn't really technically count. But if you want to, maybe we haven't hit your all-time highs if you want to look at it based off that. But a lot of us think that it hit all-time highs from where we're at. And I'm just excited for everyone who has worked their way into XRP. Everyone that bought XRP back in January, back in December, back in November, or even December, if you bought the top, like you are now officially out of the hole that you were in. If you DCA'd your way into it, you're even in a better position. If you just bought and held, you're out of the hole that has been created. So kudos to anyone and everyone out there who actually held on to their XRP and now is in the profits. Everyone should be in their profits now. And that's exciting to actually say. Not only is everyone with Bitcoin in profits, you got everyone with XRP now in profits. I mean, what a great day. I mean, you can't say that, all the time that you're always in profits, but you can now. And it was such a great day. Honestly, I'm super it was just a crazy day. We made a lot of money today, not just with our big bags, but also with our margin trading. I think a lot of people out here made a ton of money in the margin calls this morning. We walked away. I mean, we got on stream. I bought at 229. My stop loss hit. We bought again. Then it went up. Stop loss hit again. We bought. It went up. I mean, we did it with Hbar. We did it with XLM. We did it with XRP. We did it with Bitcoin. We did it with Ethereum. We did it with Link. I mean, everything out there we were hitting on. I mean, it was like you couldn't miss. You couldn't miss today, dude. If you bought early on today, you couldn't miss. And so kudos to everyone that got in on that, man. I'm so pumped for you guys. It's just been a wild day, man. Honestly, I'm kind of exhausted from how exciting the day was. Like, that might be crazy to say, from just all the trading, all the ups and, all the ups with it. Yeah, I can't, and that's really a hard thing to explain. I don't know if I can, you guys will probably relate. It's been a tiring day, right? But I'm not tired of winning. I will admit, I'm not tired of winning because we've been killing it. Absolutely killing it. So before we jump into it, what's up, Will? Tony, Airset. We got Guy in the house here. Seiko, we got Seiko Hunt in the house here. Brandon, what's up, man? Natron, what's up? What's up? We got some cheese this. BP, what's up, man? Toolbox in the house here. Evans, good to see you. You guys are here early today, dude. Super early day. Dreams in the house here. What's up, man? Good to see Dreams. Tad, ASMR fan, good to see you. Idaho Spuds, what's up, man? Oh, dude, that's funny, man. We got Eric Bev, Soul. I'm scrolling fast. Pipeline, yeah. Marty, what's up, dude? John, Dean, yeah. Dirk Diggler, what's up, dude? Sir Jeremy, Brian, everyone over here on TikTok, what's going on, guys? We got Joey, Big Joe. We got Slater, Shay. Good to see everyone here, man. Honestly, appreciate you all being here. We got Melo, we got Ham. Yeah, a lot of people here. If I miss your name, I'll catch you. You know I will. So yeah, what are we discussing today, dude? There's so many things to uncover here. It's crazy to see, dude. We're at almost a 3.91 trillion. We're about to break a $4 trillion market cap as a whole here, which is just crazy. We keep hitting all-time highs on terms of market cap. The volume, 24-hour volume is up $200 billion in 24-hour trade volume. Dominance is down to 61% on the day. As you guys know, XRP went over a $200 million market cap for the first time. It's actually sitting at $212 billion. And right now, we're still up on the hour. We're still up. We're still rallying right now, dude. People are thinking that this is dead. This is not dead, dude. We tapped out right up here at 362. We're back down at 359 right now. Up 18% on the day. Incredible numbers, dude. Incredible numbers, right? You can come back over here and say, oh, okay, the all-time high. You go back over here and you say, oh, the all-time high is 384. We're 6% away from 384, which isn't that bad, 6% away from 384. If you want to say that's the all-time high, you could go ahead and say it 8 years ago. But, I mean, I think a lot of people think that was kind of a fluke for a number. But it is what it is. Will D, what's up, man? Yeah, late night stream tonight. Heck yeah, dude. We got Shaman in the house. What's up, Shaman? We got JRT Productions. What's going on, dude? Pipeline. Austin looks like it's been sitting on the bleachers cheering all afternoon. Yeah, I'm pretty wore out, dude. You getting that sun, you getting that heat, watching soccer all day. Whew. It takes a toll on you, dude. And then on top of that, we're out here kicking butt. I mean, dude, like honestly, we're out here like kicking ass in trades, dude. Like I was looking today, I mean, just at our profit and losses, dude. Again, I think this is probably the best thing in Discord, dude. Just seeing everyone's profit and losses here. Absolutely insane. Look at Hoppin coming in here, dude. Hoppin is just absolutely shredding it right now. I mean, shredding the numbers right now. 1,400 right there. I mean, he comes back with another 1,100, 1,200. You got 639, 3,000. You know, you got Brandon in here. Brandon here freaking loot 16,000, putting a $55,000 margin in, dude. Just shredding it. Again, Tony, look at Tony the Tiger coming in hot here with all his winnings, dude. It's insane, dude. You got Rios in here with 100% plus $100 right there, dude. That's freaking awesome, dude. I don't know. I'm so blown away. I'm so happy for the A team and everything that we've accomplished in the last almost feels like forever ago. I think XRP hitting this number today like kind of just like did it for me. And then seeing Hbar bounce back up to 30 cents. So many people were lagging behind on that as well. And it's so positive to see everyone, back up on their bags, back up in the positivity of it. Just super, super excited for it, dude. What is good woohoo just been holding? And I can't be happier. Yeah, I think a lot of people are, man. Poor Dave Portnoy. Oh yeah, I saw that, dude. Dave Portnoy sold his XRP, dude. He said he'd be up millions. He said he'd be up millions of dollars if he didn't sell his XRP. He sold it 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago at 240. 2 weeks ago at 240, he sold it, and now it's sitting at 360, 350, 360 right now, dude. And XRP has no signs of quitting right now. There is no signs of this quitting. You can come back and actually look at the MACD right here. We got the MACD in the house. Look at this, dude. We're at all-time highs, and the MACD hasn't even tapped out where it was just back in November and December. It was up here at the 0.43, right here at the 43 level, 0.43 in December 11th. Right now, we're sitting at roughly the 28.28. We're not even halfway there. We're not even halfway there in terms of where the MACD is. The McDonald's, the MACD, the McDonald's. Sorry. People want me to say the McD in the house here. So, and you can see that. I mean, look at the strength index. We're coming down. We're hitting all time highs with the hours coming down. That's crazy, dude. All time highs, hours coming down on RSI. That's a rarity. On top of that, you got the 4 hour just up here at the top. I mean, we could be up here for we could be up here for another. Honestly, 2 days probably, based off of our last time up here. A couple times we've been up here for almost like 12 to 24 hours at the top. So this will be a very interesting take. Right now we're pumping to 361, dude. We're getting up there again. 361 right now, almost 362 at the time of this filming. Right now, I mean, to get up there, it's 366. So it's very good timing, man. Very good timing. Jacob, thanks so much for being a member for 7 months, dude. Went camping last Tuesday, got back today. Let's go. Hell yeah, Jacob. Bro, we going dumb. Let's go. And the thing is, there's so many catalysts, dude. There's still so many catalysts with XRP and even Hbar and XLM and all the other ones that are out there. There's so many other catalysts. It's insane. And on top of that, dude, you have things like this. Solana. Solana didn't even run today, dude. Solana barely went up. Look at that. Solana barely even got back to its height of where we were at just back in May. So the big question is Solana the next to run? A lot of people are thinking that Solana is the next to run. Keith, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. And definitely go jump in that Discord, dude. Austin, I called it 59% BTC dominance by Friday afternoon. I can see it coming. All right, Craig. Well, I'll hold you down to it, dude. I'll hold you to it. Solana is rising right now. A lot of people are thinking that Solana is going to be going on a major run here. Everything's kind of lining up that way. You can see the 4 hours actually coming down. It's bounced back up. The MACD in the house here, the McDonald's is up right now. The Mickey D's is up. Over 800 new subscribers. Yeah, dude, we killed it today, dude. Thank you guys all so much for subscribing and kicking it with me. Thank you, Seiko. The live stream is more important than my date. If she doesn't understand, then this relationship's over. Oh, I love you, Andrew. That's awesome, dude. Hopefully school went well today. Hopefully you were able to pay attention. We got Big B in the house here. What's up, man? We got Cool Cat Cosmos. What's up, dude? Nice to see Hbar back. Yeah, Hbar's cooking right now, dude. Hbar back to that 30-cent mark. It's looking like, it could come back down to this 27 level right here. Even back down to the 27.2 level for a little bit of a retracement. You can see the 1 hour is coming down. The 4 hours, dude, look at the 4 hour. It's at the top right now, but look at the look at the MACD right here. Look at the Mickey D's right here. It's actually just starting to form back up again, and we're hitting highs, right? Starting to hit some highs. Let's see here, Austin. What X are you at for Hbar, and what X am I at for Hbar and XRP? Let's see. I'm at a 5x. I'm at a 5x for Hbar. I'm at a 5x for Hbar, and I'm at roughly, what is it? I mean, $3 was a 10x for me. So I'm at probably close to I don't know. What am I, like almost like a 10, 11x, probably somewhere in that ballpark. Something like that, I think, for XRP. And then, and then for XLM, I think I'm at like a 5x as well for XLM. Austin, if you're real, can you say Donald Trump has, oh my gosh, you wild, bro. Still buying and accumulating? Hell yeah, dude. Dominic just went past the May low. I know, I saw that, dude. Make Mickey D's great again. We got Ali coming in here. Thank you so much for becoming a new member of the A-Team, Ali. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. Let's go. Could you tell me to retry below 350? I mean, it's bouncing back. Dude, this is a very volatile area, dude. Super volatile. I got to take this off. It's a super volatile area. I mean, any buy right now is super risky of a retracement, but I mean, it's super bullish right now too. A lot of money's coming in here. And here's let's actually jump into some of the things that are out here, right? Not only does the XRP pricing look amazing, you got the stock market. Look at the futures. Your stock futures are a little changed after earnings. Economic data lifts the S&P 500 record. So our futures are looking great for tomorrow. On top of that, look at this, dude. The total crypto market now hit 4 trillion market. It hit a $4 trillion market cap today. I mean, the first time ever to hit a $4 trillion market cap. Phenomenal. Right here, the SEC chair, Paul Atkins, says the SEC is considered an innovation exception from regulation when it comes to crypto. So I don't know exactly what an innovation exception is. I don't know what that means, but it sounds like anyone that's building something new, there's going to be some exceptions for it to create innovation in blockchain technology. Right here, as you guys know, all 3 crypto bills have passed the House: the Clarity Act, the Genius Act, and the Anti-CBDC. The Genius Act now heads to President Trump's desk for signing tomorrow afternoon. So we do know this is going to be signed into law tomorrow after it hits President Trump's desk. Ginormous, dude. That's such a ginormous bill. And then the next is the Clarity Act, and the Anti-CBDC bill is going to be going over to the Senate for their approval as well. So this is we have so many things lining up right now. Right here, this is the big one today, dude. This is probably one of the biggest catalysts to what's going on. Everyone's like, why is the price going crazy? Why are we buying? Because you're so damn early, dude. You guys are the top 7% to enter into crypto right now. So you are part of the 7%ers. And what's going to happen here is President Trump is set to sign an executive order, meaning he's going to open it up as soon as this week that would allow 401k retirements to now invest in crypto. This opens up a $9 trillion worth of capital for alternative investments like crypto, gold, and private equities. Are you kidding me, dude? $9 trillion is going to be opened up to go buy crypto, to go buy XRP on the exchange, to go buy Bitcoin, to go buy Ethereum, Solana, Hbar. These all things could be now bought with your 401k. Everyone out there is buying, they're buying Tesla, they're buying Microsoft, they're buying NVIDIA, all these things that they're buying on the stock exchanges when it comes to their 401ks. Now they're going to open up the door and actually allow people to go and buy on the open market XRP, straight up, Hbar, everything like that. So now you're going to have all these people younger than me. My kids are probably going to buy crypto. I would buy crypto. You know what I mean? Like all the new younger generation is going to come up, and their 401ks are going to go into crypto. It's not going to go into stocks. It might go into some stocks, but realize now you're going to open up growth funds. You're going to have massive crypto growth funds. You're going to have Bitcoin growth funds, Ethereum growth funds. You're going to have all these things that just now opens up the door to. So when you ask yourself, like, why is crypto running like this? Why are we going crazy? Is it because we signed these bills? Well, that's probably part of it, but a lot of it's because of this, dude. Everyone wants to get in early before the $9 trillion starts to flood into these markets. So when he signs this, dude, here in the next 6 months, we're gonna be, dude. I don't know where we're gonna be. My 701, my $7.01 XRP that I've been calling for 3 years, like this will dwarf that. This will dwarf that number. I don't know what the number will be now. I don't know what that number will be. I always did my numbers based off of where Ethereum was, where XRP could go. XRP potentially taking out Ethereum as the number 2 ranked in terms of market cap. and it was always a $400 million market cap for me. And you can see right now we're at a $200 million market cap. We're sitting at $3.60. So a $400 million market cap puts me at a little over $7. 701 is what I called for. I said that a long time ago. I still believe it today, and I think the numbers are actually bigger now. I think the numbers could actually be bigger, especially with things like this. This is ginormous, guys. I don't think people actually fully digested this news that came out today. It says this move would make the current system far more modern. For years, crypto could only be bought through proxies and 401k accounts. This is the next step in accelerating the crypto revolution. This is like, I don't know how you're not bullish now on crypto. Like, if you are still on the sidelines, not in crypto, like, nothing's going to save you, dude. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I don't know I've done everything I possibly can to tell you that, like, dude, there's going to be so much money flowing into crypto, and you're part of the 7%ers, dude. You're going to look back in 10 years. If you don't buy into crypto now, you're going to look back in 10 years from now, and you're going to say, damn, I remember sitting on AuzSOME Austin's stream, and he was telling me about these 401ks, just opening up the markets. And, dude, I could have got XRP for $3.60. And, dude, it's now worth $35. It's worth $100. I don't know what it's going to be worth, dude. Who knows what it's going to be worth in 10, 20 years from now? I have no idea. But I know it's not going to be worth $3.60. I'll tell you that right now. People are going to be investing in these things like they're investing in Tesla, like they're investing in Nvidia and Microsoft. You don't think that they're going to invest in these top technology companies? Ripple's a technology company. XRP is a blockchain. It's one of the top blockchains in the world. Bitcoin, Ethereum. When people actually can start moving their 401ks into there, I just don't think people actually see the magnitude of this. And I mean, I'm coming in here a little like hot, like, hey guys, like, open your damn eyes. Tell your friends and your family and your mom and dad, like, hey, this is like an opportunity. It really is, dude. This is the first time we can actually open this up to all this money coming in. And again, you don't want to be buying 2 years from now, 3 years from now, when all this money is actually already flown in, right? You'll be behind the 8 ball. Billion Right, thanks so much for the $20 bomb, dude. Let's go, baby. Appreciate you, my guy. Hope all is well. Hope you're staying cool out there with your pool, dude. With your pool cleaning out there. What cold wallet do you recommend? I use Ledger, dude. Get in before you're priced out. 100% Stenning. 100%. Get in before you're priced out. That's a perfect statement, dude. Get in before you're priced out. And right now, you have an opportunity. Your family, your kids, your mom and their dad, whoever the hell has an opportunity, but you'll eventually be priced out. I got so much soul, but don't mind adding more. Hell yeah. What's up, Big B? Rebecca, what's up? 1.9 XRP is dead in the water. Kind of feels that way, dude. I'm 39X on my XRP. Damn, bro. Austin, I think I joined your Discord, but there's a very few selection. Who can send the screenshots to navigate me? Yeah, JM, just go right up here. If you're going to be in my Discord, just go right up here to the top where it says start here. Go start here, and then go down here to say rules. Make sure you click the rules, and then go choose. Go to the choose section and click these emojis. And these emojis will give you access to all the other rooms that you're missing out on. So, yeah, thanks, Texas Made. Yeah, my investments, my Bitcoin investments are, I mean, I'm up 6, 7x on almost a 7x on my Bitcoin. I mean, my Ethereum, we were buying at like $800, $900 for Ethereum. I mean, we're up almost like, what, a 4x on that. Everything is doing really, really well. I honestly was like, I didn't know what to do with myself today, dude. Like, I opened up my portfolio, and I probably shouldn't have, because it just like my heart skipped a beat, like I hit the lotto, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I felt like I hit the lotto. I was all giddy. I felt like people knew how much money I had. I was like hiding it like I was a crackhead. I was like, oh man, dude, like, don't look at my phone. Don't be looking at my Ledger Live. Get the hell out of here. Oh, dude. Austin, the only coin you still buy right now and don't have to worry about pullback is Quan. Touche. Don't tell Trent that. We're making history. Yeah, we're making history right now, guys. It's phenomenal, dude. It's just such a good feeling. I don't know how else to explain it. And anyone that comes in here and is bearish, anyone that comes in here and is negative about this, the reason why they're negative is because they missed the boat, dude. That's the only explanation to this. They are the Warren Buffetts. They are the Bill Gates. They are the people who actually missed. They are the Jim Cramers of the world who missed the boat. And so that's why they're negative. So don't let their negativity pull you down, because that's what they're going to do. They're upset because they sold. They're upset because they don't believe in crypto, and they're seeing you and everyone else do really well with it. So don't let those people pull you down. Don't even surround yourself with those people, okay? Honestly, surround yourself with positive people, dude. Don't surround yourself with anyone negative. So too late to jump on the XRP bandwagon. I mean, I think XRP has so much more potential, dude. We've done all this with, dude. It's crazy right here. I was just reading this. Where the hell was it? Right here. XRP beats Bitcoin by 237% in a year without ETFs or treasury backing. Imagine that, dude. It beats Bitcoin by 237%, and it doesn't even have ETFs yet, and it doesn't even have the treasury backing. I mean, like, this is just crazy, dude. For instance, several XRP ETFs are now entering the market. ProShares will launch its Ultra XRP ETF on the New York Stock Exchange July 7th, offering a 2x leverage exposure to the XRP futures. Grayscale is pushing to convert its digital large cap fund, which contains XRP, to an ETF. While U.S. regulators have approved a spot XRP ETF, they haven't approved a spot ETF, which would be the biggest thing for XRP. It says that large institutions like Wisdom Tree and Franklin Templeton already have applications under review. Meanwhile, in Canada, spot XRP ETFs are active on the Toronto Stock Exchange. On top of that, XRP is starting to gain attention from companies building crypto reserves. We haven't even talked about RWAs. We haven't even talked about things that are going to move, like companies that are going to tokenize on the XRPL. Dude, there's going to be so many companies tokenized on the XRPL. Money, billions, if not trillions of dollars, going to flow into the XRPL because companies are going to tokenize themselves, just like I almost said Warren Buffett. She's like Warren Buffett, just like Elizabeth Warren said. You know, she was afraid of it. I'm like, dude, bring it on, dude, bring it on. So really, we should just keep accumulating and not worth. I mean, like you guys watched the banana hammock guy yesterday, dude. I mean, like he said, we're in phase 2 right now, guys. You guys haven't even began the bull run. We haven't even cut rates. We haven't even cut rates yet, dude. What do you think happens when we cut rates? What do you think's gonna happen? You're so early right now, dude. If my 401k opened to crypto, yeah, I'd be lights out, right? Texas made. Dude, I got a deferred comp program for when I worked for the feds. I'll take my whole deferred comp program and I'll freaking dump that in there. That's still sitting there. My retirement from when I worked for the feds, dude, I'll dump that straight into freaking. I mean, I can't pull it out. I can't pull it out because it's a federal program. I can't pull out that. I had a 401k that I cashed out when I worked for the federal government. Then I have a PERS plan that's like stuck there. You can't touch that, right? But I can move stuff around. And dude, if crypto became part of that, dude, my 401k or my deferred comp and PERS plan would definitely jump into stocks without a question, dude. Let's see here. These altcoins are shit. We got our first Dave. What's up, Alpha? We got the Dave of the night. Rebecca, thanks so much for the $2 Canadian dollar. Thank you so much. Yay. Yes, I'm with you. Thank you so much. Need to make more of these margin trades to buy more of the bags. Yeah, I didn't post any of my calls today, but you can see you could definitely see my assets. I'm at now. This morning I was at 8,400. I was 8,400. Now I'm at 11,783 right now for my wallet here. So you guys can see I share. This is a public wallet I share. We continue to grow this, which is awesome. You can see right here we are at roughly. Let's see here. Let me go here real quick. It is at roughly, yeah, that's pretty good, dude. I'm actually pretty pumped with that. I'm pretty pumped. Oh, crap. We are at, where's my future pros? Where's my vouchers? Dude, hold on a second. Yeah, we're at 11,000. Dude, I thought it was a little bit more than that. Never mind. We're at 11,783. Yeah, that's not too bad. Let's go here real quick. Yeah, I thought I had a trade in. My trade's not in. So 11,783. So we've grown like almost 4,000 today, just off trade. So it's pretty good if you ask me. I asked a young man today at Dutch Brothers if he knew anything about XRP. Sell the euphoria, buy when the ghost. Yes. Did you hear about Did you hear you can leverage your crypto for a down payment on the home? I did see something like that. Hold on one second, guys. Sorry about that. We're back at it. Fan turned off the AC and it was like super hot. Please open your eyes and believe. Yes, definitely. Damn, Billion Right coming in hot with the $50 bomb. Dude, appreciate that a ton, man. Thank you so much for the $50, bro. Like the live and subscribe. Dude, you're always holding down for me, man. Gosh, dang, Billion Right. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for the $50 super chat. Seriously, though, we are dancing today. Hell yeah. Appreciate it, guys. Dude, woo. Today's been one of those days, man. Let's see. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to catch you guys up here. We got Oscar in the house. What's up, man? What happened? Someone said, oh, dang, is Fan killing Austin? No. My son is about to get knocked out. That's what's going to happen. And Fan's about to knock him out. Hey, Austin, not heard you talk about your dad for a while. I talked to him today, dude. We're talking about he's going to probably come into the Discord and he's going to go to the Discord and probably talk about taxes, talk about how to invest. You guys were all asking about that kind of stuff. So I talked to him this morning. He's actually down in New Mexico, dude, where all that massive flooding's at. So he's kind of like trapped down there right now, which is kind of scary when you think about it. So, but he's going to eventually get into the Discord and we're going to talk about taxes. We're going to talk about, how to build a business. There was a lot of questions with that. He's the go-to guy. Like I said, he's my accountant. He's my financial advisor. So, I mean, if I can get him in there to share a bunch of stuff with you guys, that'd be phenomenal, right? Like open up the room probably for, I like your style, good old fashioned parenting. Oh yeah. We don't mess around here, dude. He's lucky. He's lucky I'm in here right now. But when I'm done, he's going to definitely get a stern talking to. That's for sure. I don't play around with that stuff. Don't cross Austin's dad. They're at that age where they talk back. Yeah. Yeah, he's at that age, bro. What's up, Michaela? Oh, dude, what's up, Michaela Rose? Good to see you. Prayers for your pops. Yeah, he was just texting me that they're down there with all the flooding and stuff. Yeah, pretty crazy. That would be awesome, Austin. You guys are gonna go to the. You guys are the go-to guys. Yeah, I appreciate that. Let's go. How do you become a member? You got to just sign up, become a member, dude. All right, let's get back on track here. We're at 363, dude. We're only 3 cents away from hitting the height here of 366. Be nice if we can keep going. Be super nice if we can keep going. Right here, you can see that BlackRock just bought over 750 million worth of Bitcoin today. So over 90% of BTC ETF flows yesterday were just BlackRock buying 764 million of BTC. So if you guys are out here on the fence, like wondering like what the heck is going on, like when it comes to just Bitcoin, when it comes to just follow the whales, dude. If like anything, if you doubt anything, at least just follow the whales. That's all I ask. What's up, Jay Boogie? Just thank God he doesn't want to chop it off after. Oh my God. No way. So here's another one, dude. The whales are buying Bitcoin like never before. The funny thing is, we're just getting started. Look at this, dude. Look at the new whales. So the blue mark is the new whales. You can see right here, this is the new whales coming into crypto. And then you can see where the price is going, dude. So many new whales are coming into crypto. It's insane. Whales accumulating usually signals long-term confidence in the market. Absolutely, dude. Good day, Austin. Last day for school holidays is... Oh, really? Oh, appreciate that, Travers. Thanks so much for being here. Would be amazing to hit $4 before a retrace, dude. That'd be nuts. XLM bouncing off the 15 EMA. All right, let's take a look at these. Yeah, we're looking. So he's looking at the 15-minute EMA here. Oh yeah, it's bouncing off the the 50 EMA. Right here, my red is the 50, so it came down, came off this. It bounced off the 50 right here, right at the 49 price. Now it's up to 49.8. So yeah, it's coming up pretty good. It's actually a split. It's split, but it's showing you that we're well above the POC and climbing back up in here. I mean, looking like 51 could be back in the cards here. That's not too bad. I mean, we look back over here. Look at the power of XRP, dude. Look at the bullishness. 94.42%. 5.58%. Like that is I mean, I don't really, this is the first, like, I mean, I just started using this Monte Carlo, but dude, that's a crazy bullish amount right there. I mean, we're talking roughly 58.84% for us to get back up to this 283. I don't know. It doesn't say exactly when, but that's definitely in the cards right there. Let's see what the 30-minute says here. I mean, 30 minutes is sitting there at 384 as well, dude. What's 15? 15 cent, dude. Like, so 380, dude, like 380 is well within play, dude. Like, everything's lining up. The 15 minutes working its way back up. The hour is like coming down, but it's still working its way up. It's really super weird. The power of XRP is stupid, Rudy Poo. Just bought 14,000 XRP. Damn, bro, get it. We got CWife coming in here with a $20 super chat. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thanks, Austin and Fan. Thank you. I hope you got into Discord. I saw you up there. Give me a thumbs up or something if you got into Discord. Definitely want to make sure you got in there. Monte Carlo's been hitting the prices. Yeah, dude, this is looking pretty good. I mean, if we're thinking, you know what, dude, let's just do it right now. I don't have a long in. All my stuff hit. Let's play the game, baby. Let's play the game. Let's put. I'm gonna put like a 5. I'm just gonna do it right now, live on stream. We're gonna put a. Let's put a 10,000. Let's put a 10,000 long in. We're gonna buy a 20x liquidations. That's a Bitcoin. Let's go back to XRP here. We're gonna put 10,000 USDT into there. So $10,000. And we'll open up a long right here. We'll just do it, dude, for the culture right here. We're gonna go. We're pushing now. We're gonna push up to roughly. We're hoping to get to. I mean, things are aligning that we're gonna potentially rise again. So shoot, don't count me on the sidelines. No FOMO, guys. Yeah, this is just we're margin trading this one, dude. Like, yeah, we're margin trading. So you know we're gonna follow the ups and the downs of this one. What's up, everyone? Digital Orgy. What's up, my guy? Congrats to what's held. Yeah, Digital Orgy. Just to let you guys know, I just want to I will put it out there for Digi here. Digital Orgy is actually the guy who got me into XRP. He got me into XRP at 30 cents, dude. 32. It was like 30 cents, and then we bought it at like 32. So I actually give it to Digital Orgy. He got me into XRP. So he's the guy, man. It's good to see you, buddy. I hope everything's doing well for you and all your stuff too, dude. I know you're killing it. Hey, yeah, that's wild. It is. How do you get Monte Carlo on TradingView? Just looked up Monte Carlo. So how does long work in your 20x? Never done that type of trading. So if you do a long, like, so if you just do, so if you come over here and you do a long, like for instance on a 20x, so I put $500 in, right? A 10x would put us at 5,000, and a 20x would put us at 10,000, right? You're putting 20x, so you're borrowing from the exchange. You're basically borrowing. You're putting $500 in margin, and you're borrowing basically the rest from the exchange. And then you're putting it on. That's the leverage that you're putting on. So you put your margin up there, you use your leverage, and that's where it goes. So right now, we're a little bit down. We did this for the stream. So we'll follow it out. We'll see what happens here. This is a good day. Oscar got me into XRP. Okay. Crazy. That's awesome, dude. We got, what is that? Jixer, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend, and make sure you get in that Discord. I was taking the other night, but then FOMO'd into XRP long. I bet you're happy you did, dude. Asian markets coming online, Middle East and Africa after that. Okay. You're why I held my XRP. You educated me on the utility. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, no, I spent a lot of time. At first, I was kind of like, yeah, XRP is okay. This. And then I spent a lot of time with it, spent a lot of time doing it. Digi was in my channel every day. He kind of went MIA on me for a while. He pops in here and there. So it's good to see you, buddy. I hope you're doing well. Let's see here. Mr. Jefferson, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, my friend. Make sure you jump in that Discord, please. And thank you so much for being here. Dawn, we got Dawn in here. Thank you so much for becoming a member as well. You're officially now a member of the channel too. And make sure you jump in that Discord, please. So yeah, BlackRock right here. This will be great. If BlackRock files with the SEC to include staking in the Ethereum, so we know that they're actually right now they're actually denying any staking right now with Ethereum. So this will be interesting to see if BlackRock can push the SEC into allowing staking. How high can XRP go? I said 701, dude, but I mean after today's showing, and there's so much coming out here. I mean, like this said right here. I mean, XRP is up 237% over Bitcoin this year without any ETFs, treasury backing, still in a lawsuit with the SEC, even though they've all agreed that they're going to move on from it. It still hasn't been settled. I mean, on top of that, you got things like this where they're going to, eventually allow where XRP is going to be able to be staked as an ETF. There's so many things coming. On top of that, dude, like I just said here, right here with Trump. I mean, Trump's opening up, signing an executive order as soon as this week that would allow 401k retirements to invest in crypto. Like, that is huge, dude. That's one of the biggest catalysts I've seen in crypto in so long, dude. I couldn't tell you the last time I saw something that big. Jonathan, thank you so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel, my friend. Thank you so much. And get in that Discord. I'm going to butcher this, but I think it's, oh, man. I'm going to say Silas, maybe Silas, I think is how it's said. Thank you so much for becoming a member as well. And definitely get in that Discord. Thank you so much. And hopefully I didn't butcher your name too bad. I just got kicked out of the fifth. I just knocked out a fifth of Jack Daniels with about 6 or 7 homies. Okay, 6 or 7 homies. Okay. I thought it was just going to be you. I was like, whoa, bro. I was like, yo. But yeah, we're back up to 64, 63, 65 right now. We're up to 65 on this one on Coinbase. It'd be great if we could break this 66 and just continue upward right now. Things are looking pretty bullish right now across the board. Streams are bumping since the pump. Yeah, they're bumping pretty good, dude. We're doing pretty good. Pump it. What's up, Big Beat? Could have, should have, would have. Closed doesn't count. Yeah. Hope you get 100,000 subs, Austin. You got me to believe in XRP. Oh, Texas, man, I appreciate that. We'll get there, man, in due time. We'll get there. We're almost about to break our all-time high again. We're at 6,558 right now, dude. Things are starting to wake up again. Everything's kind of pointing. I mean, I'm going to be honest, dude. Everything's kind of pointing to the 380s, dude. We might break even all-time highs for CoinMarketCap. Did the XRP lawsuit already get dropped? I think it got dropped, but I don't think that they've actually had a full settlement on it. How many people just got into XRP today? That's a good question. Probably a lot of people. It's looking like 3/7's coming soon. I think so. What's up, Warsaw? We got Warsaw in the house here. 2 truth bombs. Powell about to leave the Fed, and next guy Trump appoints will lower the rates to below 1%, which will devastate savings accounts. And 2, they need something to take attention. Well, I think he just made an announcement today about the whole Epstein thing. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, dude. I think Pine Bondi's releasing something. We'll see. But right now, we're definitely doing really well. So all-time highs, we're coming, no pause. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Just keep it going. Let's just keep it going. So yeah, we're looking pretty good right there. We're up about $32 right now. $32 on our long that we just put in. So yeah, sitting pretty there. That can't beat that. So we showed that. We showed that right here. White House confirms Donald Trump supports for tax crypto exemptions. So the White House has confirmed that President Donald Trump supports a new policy that could eliminate capital gains tax on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency payments. So this actually just came out today as well. You can see right here, there is a potential new policy coming out that Trump supports with the elimination of capital gains on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency payments. So I don't know, it's Bitcoin for sure. And when it says other cryptocurrency payments, I don't know if that's stable. I don't know what that equates. I don't know what that is. But dude, eliminating capital gains would be phenomenal. We've been talking about this, dude. So even that verbiage, that language right there is something that's enough to make the markets like look the way they're looking right now, for sure. All F and N got me into XRP. I wasn't talking about you, Austin. The guy said he didn't buy XRP because of a lot. Oh, the coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah, sorry. I just read things, bro. You know me. You know me, dude. I try to read as much as possible. We got Chris from Italy. What's up, my guy? Thanks so much for the $5 super chat. EU coming online this morning. Hell yeah, we got Chris from Italy here. Appreciate you, man. And Europe is coming on board right now. They're coming online. It's what, roughly? You guys are 8 hours ahead of us. So, dude, you're at your morning time right now, right? You're almost like what, 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning? What are you? 8 o'clock, 8. Yeah, dude, you're like what, 4? What do you do? It's like, what are you doing up so early, bro? What are you doing up so early? We have the pump for almost 30 hours. Yeah, it's been a massive rise. 6532 as of right now on Coinbase. Yeah. Either way, it's good news for us. Yeah, they're all on the Trumpster. You guys are crazy, dude. The most XRP went up in one day in history. Yeah, this thing has been just straight going crazy. It's been crazy. It's been a crazy day, dude. It's hard to believe people wait until the price goes up so much before buying. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, right? That's just, I think it's a psychological thing more than anything. It's a psychological thing. What are you saying to buy? Well, we're talking about XRP. I just put a leverage trade in on it. We'll see what happens. We'll play it out. We'll have fun. We made a lot of profits today, dude. So I was like, you know what, dude, we'll throw one in on stream. Why not? We'll throw a $500 leverage on XRP to rally it somehow. Maybe everyone does it right now. We all just rally. We have 1,200 people in here. I guarantee you, if 1,200 people went and put $200 on a call on XRP right now, it'd probably go up. 1,200 people, maybe not. Probably take more than that, but yeah, still. Bought Pepe just to get into crypto. Found you and bought more XRP. Got a friend into XRP and him so glad. Oh, dude, show me the money. That's badass, bro. We finally recovered, bro. Dude, it's so good, Observer. I'm so happy for everyone. I told you guys, first on stream, when I got on, I was kind of on a soapbox. I'm just super excited for every A-Team member that has been following me for as long as they have. Even the people that came in new to the stream earlier or later this back in January, or it would have been what, October, November, December, January, in that time frame. A lot of people bought the top of XRP. A lot of people bought the top of Hbar. A lot of people did that and worked their way into DCAing into their positions. And now a lot of people most everyone's in the green, dude. I don't think that I've heard a single A-teamer come out and say that they're not in the green now, after working their ass off to get it back. So it's such a good feeling. You know what I mean? Just turn it in. Ate some great bun. Oh, nice. Bun bahue. Tonight, go XRP. Heck yeah, dude. The chance of Jerome Powell leaving the Feds are not much better than Guy. That's probably true. What's your prediction for XRP in the next 1 to 2 years? Well, I said this bull run, I think 701 was kind of my number. And, I honestly think, looking at where we're at, 701 would put us at a 400 million market cap. So like thinking about it, a $400 million market cap is where ETH is right now. And so like right now we're sitting at roughly a $216 billion market cap. I keep saying million. $216 billion market cap. Ethereum's at 435. And if we get to that $400 million market cap, ETFs hit. 401ks are now vested in here. We got rate cuts coming down, more money flowing into the markets. Like 701 is probably a very low number now. 6 months ago, it didn't. 701 seemed like a stretch, right? 6 months ago, yeah, maybe more than that. Maybe a year ago, it seemed like a stretch. 3 years ago, when I brought it up, it definitely seemed like a stretch. Now that it's getting closer and closer, it seems a lot more plausible. So, I'm hoping more, dude. I'm actually hoping more than 701, dude. I'll be honest with you. I'm hoping more than 701. Why would I not want more than 701? Shout out from the Gulf of America, killing it in the XRP. Hell yeah, Doug. What's your stop sell at? What do you mean my stop? Nicholas? What do you mean stops? I haven't put a stop in on this one yet. If you hold 10 years, this is an amazing price. Yeah, probably 965. You're calling 965? Okay. 1936. Gosh, 589, 2530. You guys are throwing out random ass numbers now. How do you leverage trade on Coinbase? Yeah, it's in contracts, dude. It's not that good. You want to go over to you want to do like a BTCC, like I put into the chat here. Then you can do perpetuals. Perpetuals is where it's at. Doing perpetual futures, Ashton, is where it's at. Don't trade in contracts. Contracts can be a little tough. Perpetual trading makes it very simple, dude. Yep, it's hard to buy at 190, but I had to, and now I'm so happy. Yeah, crazy. That's so true. It's harder to buy then. How do I join Discord? Monkey Oatmeal. You got to come over here to the YouTube side. So come over here to my YouTube. Go to Awesome Austin. Go to the YouTube. Come over here and become a member on the A-Team. So you have to come over to the YouTube stream and and you can get into the Discord. It's $1.99, and it's the lowest I could do on a membership on YouTube. And I did it because I want to keep spam people out of the Discord. Dude, I have wondered that exact thing. Influencers all coordinating the viewers to buy or sell, manipulating the charts. They could be. They could. You never know, dude. I mean, that's a very. Yeah, that could very well happen, dude. I mean, I'm not going to discount that. Yeah, that could definitely happen. It would take a lot of volume, though, dude. You need a big influencer. Austin's out here changing lives with his knowledge. Oh, Michael Miller, I appreciate it. Hey, man, you guys still got to pull the trigger. I could talk about it all day. I could talk until I'm blue in the face. But, I mean, it takes you guys, it takes people like you to come out here and can you stop? Yeah, I could do that. Austin is out here changing lives. Yeah, no, I appreciate that. Like I said, you still have to do it, man. I could talk about it until I'm blue in the face, but you still got to be the one that pulls the trigger on it at the end of the day. So kudos to you. Oh, no, my money doubled twice. Nice. We got Jen. What's up, Jen? Thanks so much for the $4.99 super chat. Happy to see my XRP and XLM and a nice back. Oh yeah, from the Philippines. That's Philippines, right? Yeah, that's the Philippines. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, and yeah, I'm so happy to see it back. See it back there too. And everyone here most likely is in the green. I'm one of those people that found you like in October 2024 and been riding it out with you since. Happy as shit right now. Not sure how to get out though or when. Right, like the banana guy said, dude. Just don't f it up. Just stay the course. Just let it play. Just let it play out. Don't do anything crazy. Don't get your wallet hacked. Don't do any crazy things trying to move all your money around. Don't try to over leverage. Don't try to put too much margin in. Don't go crazy, dude. Just ride it out. Just stay the course. And like you said, don't f it up. Just don't f it up. That's all you gotta do. Just stay the course, and you're good. Thank you, Austin, for teaching me how to lower my average. You helped me for sure. Hell yeah. Crazy. Our car. I always say crazy, dude. That's kind of, it's a weird, makes my eyes hurt reading that. It's with it. Carze. Thank you so much for teaching me how to DCA. Heck yeah, doing memes. A lot of people, man. DCAing is the most important thing you could do. Awesome. What do you think about Sui? Dude, Sui's great, bro. Sui's looking pretty good. It was at $4. This is actually slow moving compared to everything else today. Sui's like, dude, look at this. Look at this little platform it's building. Sui's about to explode. I feel like Sui has a chance to just blow up right now, dude. Look at the bull flag it's created, dude. Look at this flag. Like Sui's like right there, man. Like honestly, that's in some bullish looking territory right there. Holy crap. Damn, look at that. Yo, I might have to put a trade in. Might have to let this 12-hour play out a little bit and then come in and put a freaking leverage trade in on that. Sui's looking nice. Look at that, guys. Are you guys looking at this? Damn, dude. Thank you for bringing up Sui. I might have to drop something in that. That's looking clean, too. That's looking super clean. Damn. Where's Watchman? Watchman, what do you think? Fan yelled at him. Yeah. Your positivity kept me in since buying the high. Dude, I hope, did you DC? I hope you DCA'd in, Jacob. I hope you did. I hope you did, man. And you're up so good right now. I sold my XRP and doubled down on Dogecoin. I didn't mean to laugh at you. That's really bad. I didn't mean to laugh like that. That sucks, actually. I'm sorry. Brodick, what's up, buddy? Solana is back at the 180. Nobody even cares. When XRP is hitting all-time highs, dude, no one's even thinking about Solana right now, unfortunately. I can only like it once, buddy. Appreciate that. Chat is fine. I'm so far behind. What am I? I'm like 5 minutes behind on the chat. Austin, my brother, we up. Yes, Art Caffeine, what's up, buddy? All this is making my your 10-year XRP retirement. Heck yeah, dude. What's up? What's up? Who is that? Let's see. What's up, Angel Streams? Good to see you. I grew up in New Mexico. Scary times for them. Glad your dad's okay. Yeah, I don't know exactly where he's at, but I know he's down there, and the flash floods are wild right now. So thank you. I appreciate that. I'll let him know. Can you go through Perpetuals? I'll go through Perpetuals. We go through Perpetuals in the Discord, bro. And we definitely go through. I put out a link on how to sign up for the BTCC. So if you're a member to the channel, you can go to the membership only section. And I do put a link on how to create a perpetual futures trading account on BTCC here. So you can actually go and create the account. And again, you don't have to be a great trader. Like, it's not saying you have to go out here and be this great trader. You can go into demo mode and practice in demo mode before you ever do anything. This will become, honestly, if you really want to get entrenched in crypto, you got to do something like this so that you have a good understanding of the markets, where the markets are going. Honestly, it's one of the best tools. And I think a lot of people that are new to crypto that are in my Discord that are now doing perpetual trading are starting to fully understand the power of being entrenched in perpetual trading, even if you're doing demo trading, because it allows you to understand the markets. And it's such a good tool for you to know where things are going, dude. And if you learn how to read it just a tad bit, put a few indicators in there and slowly understand, just a little understanding of it, you'll be so far ahead in just understanding the crypto space. Don't let this distract you from the fact that Hector is going to run for, what are we talking about? Oh, you're talking about, oh no, are we talking about like Fast and Furious here? Do not exit until all possible catalysts have been played out for XRP. I'm with you, Royal Patriot. I'm not touching anything. We're not touching anything until that happens, dude, for sure. No questions asked about that. What do you think about Sui? Oh, yeah, I think Sui's good. The banana zone's good. RM laughing, dude. Thank you so much for the $2 super chat. Can you talk about CBET TF? Whoa, man. If you haven't, I don't know if I even know what that is, dude. What is that, like a meme coin? Like, what is it? I appreciate the $2, but I have no idea what that is. What are the possible catalysts? I mean, you got ETFs, you got the 401ks, money coming in from the 401ks. We got settlement with the SEC. You're going to have the back end of the Treasury. You got obviously you're going to have hopefully money coming in through RWAs. I mean, there's a lot out there. How does it take to use funds on BTC once you send them from the bank? Can you trade immediately? I think you can't. Tell you the truth, I've never transferred from the bank. So since it's a non KYC, no VPN, I choose not to KYC myself on there. So I haven't actually done that, Dream. So I don't know the answer. I've never moved money from the bank because I don't want to have to KYC. So I just straight move money from my non-custodial wallets into there. So a lot of my friends are heavily invested, and all of a sudden, quiet, feeling dirty and scared. Now they're getting filthy rich right now. That's awesome, dude. Hopefully they're saying thank you. I cannot wait for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be good. Do you recommend selling some XRP and getting some profits? Yeah, if you feel the need to, dude. If you need the profits, nothing wrong with taking profits, man. If you need it, take it. You know what I mean? Don't let anyone ever shame you in doing it. If you need it, take it, man. Like there's a lot of people out there that'll shame you for taking profits, dude. Don't ever let that happen, man. Do what's best for you, dude. Do you, boo boo, man. No one knows what you're going on in your life. You're the only one who knows what you got going on in your life, and only one that knows, whether you need it or not. If you need it, take it. If you don't need it, then you should probably keep it in there and let it ride. Are you run up the likes and get Austin to 100K subscriber? I appreciate you, Boomer the Ruler. Austin is basically saying, sit your punk ass down and wait. I didn't mean it like that. Austin, what you must understand is you take the time to show us what to look for, where to look, how to use the tools, etc., and then do it ourselves. Very valuable. You're genuinely good. I appreciate you, Tony. Tony, you're always giving me kind words, man. Always giving me compliments and kind words. I appreciate that. How high will XRP go before it retraces, you think? It's tough to say, man. It's been a very wild ride. I mean, right now indicators are still saying it's very bullish, even with the pricing the way it's at. Unless some crazy ass indicating, like something crazy happens with Trump, or he comes out and says some wild stuff. I mean, everything's kind of still looking very, very bullish, dude. It's kind of looking really bullish. Dude, every time I don't look at my phone for a couple of hours, I come back to green candles. I know, El Citizen, it was a wild trading day today, dude. A lot of profits out there to be made on our swing trades, dude. I think I made close to what, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost 4K, almost 4,000 in trades today. Almost 4,000. I started with a wallet of 8,500, give or take, and I'm at like 11,700 now. So what is that? Like almost 4K. So yeah, I'm pretty. I was exhausted watching charts today, dude. Exhausted watching charts and seeing the money flow. Hey, boss man, congrats on all-time highs. We knocking it out again. Yeah, I'm with you, Black Gold. Shib is dead. Maybe not. Damn, Austin, that was an evil laugh there. I guess this is the beginning of your villain arc. I don't know about that. We got Crypto Merc in the house here. What's up, buddy? Thanks so much for the $10 super chat. Big question now is that what major support levels have the best chance of holding once we eventually retrace to help us determine how far of a risk selling? Yeah, it's probably a good question. Well, you can see the biggest level right now is 293. Look at that. I mean, you can see this, right? We zoom out on this. 293. $3 right here, big levels here at 293, right here at like anywhere from basically $3 down to roughly 280 are your largest levels of that's your largest levels of support right there, dude. Right now in this cycle, you can see right here is another one right here at 225. Look at that, dude. It actually lines up here with the Monte Carlo. I almost said the Monte Cristo. Is it the Monte Cristo or the Monte Carlo? Well, I almost said the Count of Monte Cristo. That's what I'm going to call it now. The Count of Monte Cristo indicator. The Count. That's what I thought. I thought it was the Count of Monte Cristo. That's literally what I'm wrong. It's the Monte Carlo. But great movie, by the way. Let's see here. 325 seems to be a really big one. That's probably your next level of support right there is 327. But even right here at freaking 352, dude, like there's another nice little candle right here. So 350, 325, $3, dude, is like when you start to really hit levels. So 350, 325, 3. Just a quick look at it. Yeah, Austin Sui's Stosh reset while still above the 21 EMA on the 3 hour, which is very bullish. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. I'm so far behind you. I just got back to you on that. Holy crap. Yeah, I need to catch up. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. If I miss your comments, I'm sorry. I will catch the super chat. So SBET and TB are like MicroStrategy. XRP is for TB, TD, TH, and ETH is like worth looking into, my man. Also, what about Hbar? Yeah, Hbar is killing it. I might have to look into that, dude. I've never heard of that before. I'll write it down. SBET, TD, TH. Okay. I wrote it down. I'll look into it. I'll look into it when I have time on my hands here. Yeah, Hbar is looking phenomenal, dude. Still looking good. Sitting at 28 cents right now. I mean, this thing is looking really good. The next level of support right now for this is at 25. You can see right here, 25. 24 is a really big level of support. So we'll see what happens here. We'll continue to watch it. Natron, thanks so much, man. You're the man, too. Y'all are so legit on Discord, bro. You're so chill. Much appreciated. No problem, Taz. Discord's awesome, dude. It's not just me in there, dude. There's a big group of people in there that are awesome. They're caring. They give a shit about everyone. They want to see everyone win. It's hard to get a big group of people into a Discord that are positive. That we have a lot of people, dude. Like, we have a ton of people in there that are in there all day long. We're in there all day long, all night. We have people in there. Everyone is super positive, dude. It's like, I was telling Fan this today, dude. I was like, man, I honestly am blessed to know that we have a Discord full of people who actually give a shit about the other people. It's not all about themselves. It's about helping others, and we're all winning as a team, dude. No joke. When I say we're all winning as a team, you can ask anyone in Discord right now that's here in the chat. We are winning as a team, dude. Calls are being made, plays are being played, and people are walking away with good money, dude. A person today, dude, just said, I can't remember who it was. I don't know if I should call them out, but I probably shouldn't say it is. I don't want to put people's business out there. Basically what it was is we had a new person that's never traded before in their life. They've never done any margin calls, never did any perpetuals. They went in there and they won. They actually made some pretty damn good money for the first time today. And so that's such a cool feeling. You know what I mean? That's such a cool feeling. Austin, what is your estimate for the new bottom? Never under 3? It's tough to say new bottom. We'll have to find the top first, dude. It's tough to say bottom without finding a top. That's such a hard thing to say, dude. And if I did say anything about that, Dreams would kill me. He tries to keep me away from saying things like that. So Dreams would be pissed off at me. Just kidding. What's the name of the support indicators that show the blue and white? Oh, these right here. You talking about these right here? Here, I'll put the indicators up right here. You can take a screenshot of the indicators I use on here, but it's the visual range volume profile. It's right here. I pull these up for everyone, so take a screenshot of that. So that's typically, I don't use all those at once, but I mean, they're all on here, things of indicators that I have used or still use. So this is just the beginning. Yes, Luke, it's just the beginning. We haven't even had spot ETFs, 100%. I would agree more. I couldn't agree more with that. Wolf of Wall Street, I'm not effing selling. Yeah, right. XLM targets, Chainlink's phenomenal right now. Chainlink looks so good, dude. Look at that. Dude, Chainlink is looking so good. XLM, I mean, we're trying to still look at targets right now. It's actually hitting pretty good on its target right now, sitting around 49.5. The 4 hour is still sitting. I mean, the 4 hour is still looking bullish, dude. Still looking at 53. I jumped into this around like the 49 cent mark. It went all the way up to 52. I hit up Watchman. I said, good call. I sold. I made like $450 in like not even probably 15 minutes. Watchman's like, hey, it's looking bullish. And it was at like 40. It was like 49. I think it was like 49.2 or something like that. I don't remember what it was. I bought it. I accidentally did a 50x on it, and I about crap my pants when I saw it. I was like, oh crap, dude! I put $500 in on a 50x, and then went all the way up to 51 or 52. I made like I literally went over like 125% on my investment on that one and cashed out, dude. So that was a good call. I actually hit Watchman in the Discord and said, "Good call, good call." Right when I sold. Austin, did you see the video of Dave Portnoy? Yeah, I watched that earlier. I didn't play it for anyone here, but yeah, dude, talk about. I posted about it here. I said, no, Dave, right here. No, Dave, this is sad, man. I don't know if you guys want to hear it, but dude, this is crazy. He basically says, I sold my XRP. I listened to a buddy who said to sell. I sold it at 240, and now I'm sick to my stomach. And he said he left millions on the table. Oh my God, that's so crazy to think. Nothing but love, brother. I know dreams. I'm just playing. I appreciate you, right? We don't want to jinx anything. Do we think Hbar hits all-time highs? I sure as hell hope so. It's definitely on its way. It's definitely trending that way. Where's your trade at? My trade is it's down right now. I'm down about $82. We're gonna ride it out, dude. We'll see what happens here. I'll probably put a stop loss at like maybe $150, which is about 25% down. So I'll probably put a stop loss in so it doesn't. We'll see what happens though. I'm not gonna sweat it. I did it for the cause. Did it for the culture. Still looking good. GG Nor, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome. Yes, definitely go jump in that Discord. Austin, I went all in on Chainlink. I did a little over 4K today as well. Damn, Lionheart. That's what I'm talking about, dude. A little over 4K, dude. Wow. Shit happens. Do your own research. Yeah. Shit happens. Do your own research. Dave, 100% block that dude. Do we have a Dave in the chat here? Oh my gosh. Do we have a Dave in the chat? I'm so far up. I'm going to toss me one. Just learned tonight. All right. There we go. This is a foreign feeling. I feel much more comfortable losing all the time. Turk. Up 7K this week with XRP. Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, Seiko, it's good to see you. We got a Big Watch dude in the house here. What's up, Big Watch? XRP. What did I say? XRP. Oh. Taz, go to the Discord. Fan opened a private chat for you to walk you through Discord. That's what she just texted me. Go over to Discord. There's a private chat open, and she's going to help you walk you through it, dude. Bro, even at 360, we're all early. Just my point of view. But XRP will hit $80 to $100. Damn. Yeah, that's a bullish prediction. New 4 hour. Yeah, new 4 hour just started. Did new 4 hour just start? Where's my, there it is. Yeah, new 4 hour did just start. Look at that. New 4 hour starting right now. We'll see if we're bullish or bearish. Hopefully we come up and create new highs. I'm up 50K this week with XRP. Gosh, dang. I wonder if Brandon, did you sell? Did you sell your XRP? I want to know. You're up 16K, dude. That's phenomenal. It is hard to look away at the XRP chart, dude. I had a hard time at soccer. You know me, man. When I go to soccer, I try not to touch anything when it comes to crypto. I try to just pay attention. And I did. I actually broke my rule. I bought XLM. It was so hard not to right now. It was so hard to take like 2.5 hours off. Did you see? Yeah, we saw Dave. Yeah, I was super sad about the day porter thing. Yeah, I'm not a trader, but I'm up 83,000 this week on XRP. Gosh, dang, bro. Kudos to you, man. Kudos to you. We were just talking about that. Did you see? Yeah, we were just talking about the day porter thing. I just brought it up right. Oh, where is it? Right here. This sucks. I was like, no, Dave. I was told grown men would cry when XRP ripped. The Riddlers were right again. Oh, dude, that's harsh. That's harsh, dude. I was down 76K about 3 months ago. Gosh dang, Hawaii Rider. You must be up killer right now then, dude. I turned off the noise over the last 6 months and just rode out the storm. No panic and selling here. Hell yeah, John. So you're sitting pretty good too. Austin, you own about 20K XRP in a ledger since 2021. Feeling good. Not knowledgeable when it comes to how or where to stake and what staking looks like and if it's viable. Dude, I really avoid staking unless it's auto staking. And auto staking means that you can actually touch you can move your crypto on and off if you want to. So that's a huge one. Is to see if it's auto stakes. If you stake it away for like years, that's where it gets a little scary. I don't know if I could do that. Thoughts on Ondo? Ondo looked really good today, dude. Ondo actually looked really good. It's still looking really good. Look at Ondo, man. Ondo's rallied since this morning. Ondo's actually looked pretty good if you bought it this morning. Right around 5 a.m., dude. This thing has done very, very well. Yeah, Ondo's looking good, dude. I'm so happy. God bless everyone. What's that? I'm so happy. God bless everyone. Crazy. We just 20 cents from all time high. I know, dude. Some people think we're already. Some people don't count the 284 or 384 as an all time high because it was like a technical glitch with a centralized exchange back in the day. But who knows? We got Jack coming in hot with the new membership. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the A Team, Jack. Welcome, my friend, and yeah, definitely jump over in that Discord. I'm up 31K this month, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Keep your XRP safe on a cold storage. Yeah, definitely get like Tangem. Get Tangem. Get Ledger. Get something like that. Let's bonk liquidity about to rotate. Best depression meds today was XRP. Celebrating 2 years free from fentanyl and crack cocaine today. Praise the Lord. Damn, dude. If that's crazy. Kudos to you, bro. Jack me off. I know. I already got it, dude. Yeah. When I first read his name, before I even read his name, I saw it and I was like, I was just gonna say Kasia, thanks so much for the $10 in Canadian. And Austin, thank you for your time. Can you please check out Bonk and Floki very quick? And tell us what you see in the next few days. XRP is a rock. Good luck to you. Oh man, thanks so much. We could take a look at Bonk. I haven't looked at Floki in forever. I mean, those are top meme coins, bro. Where's our meme cryptos? Let's go to. I don't even know where Floki ranks anymore, dude, when it comes to these. So we got Bonk. I mean, Bonk's sent number 39 still. Floki's at number 74. I mean, they're still there, dude. Look at that. Floki's up 28% in 7 days. Gosh dang, dude. Bonk's up 46.84. Even with Solana not looking that good, dude, Bonk is killing it. I mean, yeah, dude, they're meme coins, dude. They are doing very meme-ish type things here. I didn't realize Floki was still a 74 rank. I didn't realize that Bonk was 39 rank. So, yeah, dude. Thanks so much for the $10 in Canadian. And, yeah, XRP is the rock. And good luck to everyone with it for sure. I made $400 in XRP today. It's not much, but I'm happy. Hell yeah, dude. A win's a win, bro. Yeah, Sacred Terra. That's awesome, dude. I'm super pumped for you. It's probably not an easy thing, dude. I made $400,000 on XRP or $400 on XRP, dude. That's a win. Korea's up it's 1 p.m. there. Okay. Someone had to have bought at 380. Yeah, right. If they didn't sell, they still got it, right? ETH prediction. I mean, I've always said ETH could probably get into the 10,000 range. ETH hitting 10,000 is kind of like, I mean, that would be what, a 4x from where it's at right now, right? 369, almost a 3x from where it's at. Put it at what, 4.812, about a $1.2 trillion market cap. Yeah, I can see that happening. Congrats all. Hell yeah, dude. I bought Ondo yesterday. Once you learn about compounding interest with high volume portfolios, it changes the way you trade. Total portfolio up 487K over the last 2 days. Keep following those bags, people. Yeah, dude, that's awesome, Crypto Merc. Damn. Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, compounding interest is huge, dude. Staking can be beneficial. I mean, there's a reason why BlackRock wants to include staking in the Ethereum ETF. There's a reason for staking. Trust me. Compounding interest is a huge deal. And if you could do that and find a way to make it safe to where people aren't going to lose from staking or using staking protocols, dude, it could be a game changer, dude. Yeah, definitely Discord. Just remember to connect your YouTube account in Discord settings when connections are where the connections are at. Then read the rules, click the check mark, do all that good stuff. What's up, Andrew B? Phoenix is really starting to pop off. Can you look at the performance and let me know if you think it's at the levels like Bonk? Phoenix is definitely not at the levels of Bonk. I'll tell you that right now. But what I will do for you, because I know you're a big Phoenix lover, is it is ranked number 2 on the XRPL right here. You can see that. I'll give you that. The volume right now, dude, it has pretty good volume. Liquidity is about 1.4 million. It's definitely meme-ish right now. It's definitely looking like a meme coin. It's trying to make a comeback. I'll give you that. It's up about 156% since what is that? Since July 9th. Gosh, dang, dude. So yeah, there it is, bud. I did it just for you. Never again. Just kidding. Flo, what's up, man? Thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Can you drop a fib on the XDC and show us where it can peak this cycle? It's breaking out. They say the next XRP, XDC. I think I have XDC up here. I'm in a good mood today. I'll do it. Where's XDC? Yeah, it's actually looking really good, dude. It's definitely broke out. You can see the lows right here. Oop, grabbed the wrong thing. I mean, yeah, it's definitely came back and retraced. Look at that, dude. It's hit that line multiple times today. It's about to hit. It's about to peak out again here. It's looking bullish. It is looking bullish, dude. The 4 hours up here peaking. The 12 hour is still working. It's dude. 12 hours looking pretty good at the bottom. 1 hour's at the top. It's starting to come over here a little bit. You probably come down. I mean, it'll probably come down. It could hit some fair value gaps here, right around the 8 cent mark, and then maybe have a nice little bounce back. Something to watch. Something to consider for sure. Something to consider for sure. I'm scared of the 12 a.m. sell manipulation. I know. You're right when you're sleeping. My XRP bag is up 45K today. Gosh dang, dude. Costa, thanks again for the $10 Canadian. Here's another $10 Canadian. Canadian money is cheap compared to the US dollar. Thank you, Austin. You are the best. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'll have to look up what you gave me here. I'll have to check that out. I'll check it off screen just so I know what the hell I'm looking at. And I appreciate that, dude. Thank you so much for the kind words and for the super chat. Dude, this is gonna hit like 10. Dude, this is gonna hit like 10 cents. You think it's gonna hit 10 cents? Cheers to the stream. Leaving a small long for the wake up time. That sounds weird, but yeah, you get me. I get what you're saying. Toolbox. I'll see you later, buddy. The blue pink bars. Oh, this is the Monte Carlo. It just tells you percentages based off of where things are. Right now, you can actually see that like right now, XDC is coming down slightly. It lost a little bit of the POC at the 1 hour so far, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see if it recovers. This new 4 hour has come down. It could come down and hit up this fair value gap right here at the 56 mark. So, okay, Doug. Let's see here. All right. Damn, Digi coming in hot. Digi coming in hot with the $20 bomb. Gosh, Austin, I feel like you should be paying me. But thanks for all the good times. I appreciate you, dude. Thank you so much for the $20 super chat, bro. Always holding it down here for me too. I know you come in, you pop in here and there, but it's always good, man. And always appreciate your insight. And yeah, dude. Like I said, Digi actually got me into XRP. I was in XRP not that much. I wasn't really sold on it like 5 years ago. Digi kind of sold me on it. And yeah, here we are, dude. Here we are, bro. So I do appreciate you. And yeah, I probably should be paying you. But I appreciate you, my guy. I hope all is well. Hope you're doing good, dude. Hope you're doing good. I know you got into some good plays. So my liquidity is 53 for the long. You think it's going to touch it overnight? 53.53? That's pretty far. You talking for which one are you talking for, dude? Are you talking for XLM, bro? Ian? So questions, this happens every day at midnight. Either cryptos goes up or the rides. Yeah, the midnight cycle is kind of wild. Ruin. Austin, for God's sakes, it's 5 a.m. in Portugal. Go get some rest. What's another entry looking like nowadays? We're gonna wait for this to come down. We'll see how far this pull back. We'll see. Maybe we get back into this 56 range, 356. I think a huge whale just sold. Did they? Prince 1999. We got Granny Love in here. I'll take a yellow Lambo. Crow's making moves. All right. Where can I trade XDC, guys? I think the place to trade XDC is I think MEXC is the last one I saw that you could probably buy it. I just opened a BTC account. Now I need a crash course. Well, yeah, now that you opened it, dude, what you should do is go over here to your futures side. Go over here to futures and then go right up here where it says demo. See this demo mode right here? Click on demo mode and then now you're in the demo side, so you can mess around with that and like get familiarized with it. But definitely come over into Discord and we can walk through some things over there. So, but all right, guys, I'm actually going to hop off here. I've been on for an hour and 15 minutes. We're going to continue to watch the charts go down, or watch the charts on Discord there. Really, I'm going to go get ready for bed, dude. I've been up a lot. I've been out there today. I'm exhausted. So I'm excited for today. Today's been a great day, but I am drained after today. Like I'm literally like all the adrenaline and excitement and everything going on. I'm crashing, dude. I'm like crashing because of all the excitement and adrenaline that came through me. I know I'm not the only one feeling like that, dude. It's kind of crazy. I can't explain it. I really can't. I'm up 6K. Hell yeah, dude. But yeah, don't forget to like the stream on your way out. I'll be back on here tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. So happy for everyone here with XRP, XLM, Bitcoin, everything, dude. Hbar, you name it, dude. We've been absolutely killing it. And I'm super excited for what tomorrow brings. So with all that, thank you guys so much. Love you guys a ton. We'll see you guys over in Discord, and we're out. Peace out, everyone.